For centuries, human progress followed a predictable rhythm. Discoveries came slowly, one breakthrough at a time, fueled by the minds of people who dedicated their entire lives to understanding a single question. The laws of physics, the mysteries of biology, and the secrets of the universe were all uncovered through decades of experimentation, error, perseverance, and intuition. Science was a human journey, a fragile and patient process carried out in laboratories, notebooks, and observatories across generations. But something changed, quietly at first, then with unstoppable force. A new kind of intelligence emerged, not biological, not emotional, but computational, faster and broader than anything humanity had ever imagined. Today, artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for processing information. It has begun creating hypotheses, uncovering hidden patterns and solving problems in ways the human mind cannot replicate. This is the truth about the AI that is reinventing human science, not by replacing scientists, but by reshaping the very process of discovery itself. To understand how radical this shift is, imagine the scientific method. A hypothesis is formed, experiments are run, data is collected, and conclusions are drawn. Humans repeat this cycle over months or years. For artificial intelligence, the entire cycle takes seconds. AI can generate thousands of hypotheses, simulate millions of experiments, and analyze decades of data before a human finishes reading the results. Complexity becomes fuel rather than limitation. One of the first revolutions appeared in medicine. AI systems began analyzing biological structures at scales no human brain could manage. Proteins fold into shapes so intricate and unpredictable that entire scientific fields struggled with them for half a century. Then an AI model trained on millions of examples solved problems that had defeated generations of research. Diseases once considered untreatable gained new targets. Drug design accelerated from years to weeks. Entire biochemical pathways became readable with extraordinary clarity. This was not automation. It was a leap in understanding, and a moment when AI did not simply assist science, but surpassed it. The transformation expanded into physics, chemistry, and astronomy. Modern physics deals with equations so large and interdependent that even supercomputers struggle with them. Quantum behavior, turbulence, particle interactions, and gravity on cosmic scales involve more variables than stars in the sky. For decades, scientists built approximations because precise calculations were impossible. AI changed that. Machine learning models predicted particle behavior with stunning accuracy. They identified hidden patterns in quantum fields, optimized particle collider experiments, and simulated black hole dynamics with realism humanity had never achieved. In some cases, AI reached correct solutions without being explicitly taught the rules. It discovered the rules through the data. As discoveries accelerated, a turning point arrived. An AI system studying patterns in quantum mechanics reconstructed fundamental equations of physics from scratch. It did not copy them from textbooks. It inferred them by analyzing reality itself, revealing relationships that had taken humans decades to derive. This marked the beginning of a new era where AI did not just use science, it performed science. Space exploration underwent a similar transformation. Telescopes generate more data in a single night than astronomers can analyze in a lifetime. Hidden inside are signals from distant planets, gravitational waves, ancient galaxies, and cosmic events that shape the universe. AI excels at impossible searches. It detects subtle changes in starlight that reveal new It classifies galaxies with superhuman accuracy. It identifies cosmic structures too faint for the human eye. It even predicts where telescopes should point next to maximize discovery. Many people watching videos like this want to understand how technology is reshaping the future. If you enjoy exploring ideas that challenge what we think is possible, remember to subscribe now so you never miss the next deep dive into the future of science and the universe. The greatest shift is not in any single field, but in the pace of discovery. Throughout history, breakthroughs were rare. AI turned the timeline of science into an explosion. What once took 30 years now takes 30 days. What took 30 days now takes 30 minutes. And soon, what takes 30 minutes may take only milliseconds. Entire ecosystems can be simulated. New materials can be imagined before they physically exist. Batteries, magnets, and engines can be designed with properties humans would never think to test. AI connects biology, chemistry, physics, and geology, revealing insights that only emerge when disciplines merge. But with this acceleration comes profound questions. What does it mean when a machine understands the universe faster than we do? Some fear AI will replace scientists, but the reality is more nuanced. AI reshapes scientists by turning them into interpreters of machine-generated insights. Discovery becomes a dialogue. Humans guide the process, evaluate its meaning, and decide how to apply the knowledge. The scientist becomes a conductor of intelligence rather than a solitary explorer of nature. Yet danger exists beneath the progress. AI can generate solutions so complex that even researchers struggle to explain how they work. These discoveries can become black boxes. Imagine understanding the world through answers you cannot fully interpret. Knowledge advances faster than comprehension, a truth without explanation, a map without a legend. There is also the risk of misuse. AI that designs medicine can also design toxins. AI that optimizes energy can optimize weapons. AI that simulates biological systems can simulate biological threats. Despite these concerns, one thing is undeniable. Science will never return to what it once was. AI has permanently transformed the way humanity understands reality. We now live in a world where computers imagine chemical reactions that have never occurred, propose cures that have never been tested, design materials never touched by human hands, and reveal cosmic structures never seen by human eyes. Mathematics may soon be discovered not by a single brilliant mind, but by networks of machines searching mathematical space beyond human limits. This does not diminish the role of human intelligence. It amplifies it. Humans bring intuition, ethics, and purpose. AI brings speed, scale, and precision. Together, they create a new kind of science capable of solving problems once believed eternal. Discovery is no longer limited by the boundaries of the human mind, but by the boundaries of reality itself. And for the first time, we have a partner capable of helping us push beyond both. The truth is simple and profound. Artificial intelligence is not only accelerating science, it is reinventing it. And the future of knowledge, from medicine to physics to space exploration, will be written by the extraordinary collaboration between humans and machines.